Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn more about how to create an LMS website. An LMS website is just a website for managing educational system. So let's in case if you want to sell on the internet, if you want to create courses on the internet, you can simply use LMS website to sell the courses. So this is the reason why I'm here to give you this particular opportunity in the digital marketing industry to help you to also sell your courses on the internet or create a school for your product or your company. So without wasting much time, I'll first introduce you to my desktop and also show you how you can go about it, how to create the website, and also things that you will need to get your LMS website. So first of all, you need to have a domain. The domain is the name of your website, and also you need to have a hosting. So these are the two main things that you need to have before you can create an LMS website. So before we start, you make sure that you have you've purchased a domain. That's the name of your website from any domain company. You can buy some at Namecheap, WooCommerce, or if you can still buy some at StomaHost as well. I have a link at the description below for you to just get a domain if you want to register for a domain. And also same thing applies to the hosting. So if you want to buy or purchase hosting as well, you can simply purchase with the link that I'll give you at the description below to get your hosting and your domain. So first of all, after you've purchased your hosting and domain, make sure that you just install the WordPress software on the hosting or in the hosting so that you can get started with it. So we are going to use WordPress software to develop the LMS website or educational website. So with this particular type of website, you can just sell your course. You can let people enroll. If they get enrolled, they can just have courses on your website, and also they can participate in some of the educational things that you're going to put on the platform. You can sell it as well. So this is a great opportunity for you to get to know, and I'm just sharing this information for free. And also I'll give you the full guide and the full steps to go about it, and you are not going to pay anything for this. Everything is completely free. It's free, so make sure that you take it seriously. Without spending my time, let me just hit my desktop and show you how it works. Hello guys, so like I said, today I will help you out to learn how you can build an LMS website. So I said building an LMS website with WordPress. With this course, you can also sell courses on the internet, or with this video you can sell courses on the LMS website with the WordPress software. So let me just go through some of the importance of LMS website. So you can sell your course with the help of LMS website. You can simply sell your courses on the internet, and also it is very simple for teaching. So with this, you do not need to be visiting people's home or people's class to gather them and see them physically. But with the help of LMS website, you can simply do a simple video and test for them to get enrolled in your course, and the delivery is very fast. So imagine immediately someone make payment to that particular course, they can get access to your LMS website or your LMS course via the LMS website. So the delivery is very fast with this. So I will show you some of the examples of LMS websites. So first of all, I don't want to waste my time, so let me show you some of the examples of LMS websites that digital marketing industry people that use on the internet. So the first website that I'll talk about is Udemy. Udemy is a great website. They have a lot of courses, and I know it's very popular. I know maybe you have heard of Udemy before. So let me just scroll in and show you how Udemy looks like. So you can see that Udemy have a lot of categories over here. So you can see we have development, we have web development, data science, mobile development, programming languages, game development, and many more at the development section.
And when it comes to business, we have entrepreneurship, communication, management, sales, and business strategy as well. And let's check marketing. We have some digital marketing courses over here. Since we are more related in digital marketing, let me just show you how it looks like. So you can see that we have some course over here: Ultimate Facebook Ads and Marketing Masterclass. You can see we have a lot of niches under digital marketing, and you can see that we have some of the teachers over here. You can see that we have a lot of teachers over here under the digital marketing. We have SEO personnel and many more over here. So all these things over here are courses, and if you want to enroll in these courses, you must pay before. You need to pay before you get enrolled, though you don't have free courses on the internet as well. So but we are looking through how it looks like. So let's, in case I want to enroll in this particular course, that's complete digital marketing course. It's a 12 courses in one. So let me just click this particular course. He's a bestseller. So you can see that if you check over here, we have buy add to cart, and have buy now over here. So if in case I want to get enrolled in this particular course, all what I need to do is to buy now, or just sign up and also use my credit card or whatever it takes to purchase the course. So immediately after I purchase the course, I will get enrolled automatically. So this is what I am going to show you, and what I am going to help you build as well. So let me show you another website which will help you to understand what LMS website is better. So the other LMS website that I want to talk about is Skillshare. Skillshare is also like the Udemy, and it's almost the same, but the Skillshare prices differs from the Udemy prices as well. So you can simply sign up or sign in over here, and if you want to participate in the online courses over here, all you need to do is to click on it and also get enrolled. So unlocking your potential, 5 exercises to build your creative confidence. So this is one of the course over here, and it's original, as you can see. This is what the course entails. So we have let me check the lessons over here. We have introduction, why we should why we self-sabotage, identify your patterns, overcome perfectionism, bit. And then we have lots of things over here at the in this particular lesson. So this is what we are going to learn over here. So if only you want to learn more, and if you want to get more skill via creating creating websites like Udemy or LMS website, then make sure that you keep watching this particular video to help you out. So I said these are the importance of LMS website or online courses website. So the other thing I would like to talk about is WordPress. We are going to use WordPress to build this particular LMS website. So what do we talk about? What did we talk about WordPress? In my own experience, I would say that WordPress is a software. It's an open source software. But from Wikipedia explained WordPress as a free and open source content management system written in PHP and powered with MySQL or MariaDB database with supported HTTPS. So this is what WordPress is about, and in order for you to get WordPress, all what you need to do is to have a domain and a hosting. So this is what you are going to do today. And if someone says what a domain is simply domain simply means the name of the website. So let me just visit my hosting and show you what a domain is. Summer host. So with this particular section, I'll be teaching you how you can purchase a domain and a hosting. You can use a Namecheap. We have a lot of hosting and domain selling platforms, but I personally use StormHost to do all my online platforms. So let's say you want to purchase a domain with .com name. So let's say you want to purchase website called let's say let's check whether it's available or not. tutor learning.com. So let's check whether it's available or not. Search. So it's searching. Okay, so you can see that this particular domain, this is the domain name, is available for sale. So all what you need to do is to click on add to cart. You can see that it is loading. Then go to checkout. Go to checkout. Then make sure that you select DNS management. Also, you can select this one as well. It's 1 year free, so you need to benefit from it. So the DNS name service, if you do not have any hosting, make sure that you remain it as it is. So after you've purchased this particular thing or the domain, all you need to do is to click on continue. Click on continue, and after you can simply go to checkout and make payment to have the the domain by yourself. So if you need to fill these things, I already have a hosting, so I do not need to do all these things. And if you want to buy hosting too, go to Linux shared hosting over here and select the plan that you want to use. So let's say you want to use this particular plan. Let's say you want to use this particular plan, 10 gigabytes, and let's say you want to order. Go to order now and scroll down, select the domain that you used, then click on use. So after, all you need to do is so this one comes with a free domain, so I think it will be better for you to select this one first, and after you only need to click on continue and make your payment to get access to your domain and hosting. So let me just log into my account and show you how it works and how you can simply install WordPress for the basic. And after all this, you'll be able to start managing your LMS website. This is very basic if you are a newbie or if you are completely new in WordPress building or LMS website building, or even domain and hosting related stuff or website related stuff. You'll be able to understand these things. So go to sign in with Google. I mistakenly click on Twitter instead of Google. So my account is linked with my Google Gmail account. So let me just log in. So it's logging in. Let me go to home. So at the home section, you will see that I have 2 domains over here. Okay, so I have 2 domains over here and 0 service. But let me show you my other account over here. That was on it's at UVTech hosting. So basically you can use StomaHost or UVTech to purchase your hosting and your domain. But I have a website hosted at UVTech, same as StomaHost as well. So let me just log in and show you my account info. So let me just switch to this one. So basically, after you purchase your domain and hosting, this is how you are going to see your dashboard. This is how you are going to see your dashboard. So let me just go to services, click on services and select the service with the domain that you use as the primary domain. And after, go to login to cPanel. Sorry if I'm going very fast. Login to cPanel. So this is very basic. This is a basic understanding of how you can create an LMS website. I want you to understand better, and I don't want to speed up because I want you to understand and grab everything faster. So let's scroll down. You see WordPress at the bottom. So WordPress management, that's over here. But make sure that you add the domain first. If you haven't added the domain, make sure that you go to domains over here, domains, and after, go through whether you see the domain that you bought in it or not. So I have my domain over here. I already have a domain. If you do not have the domain, make sure that you create a domain, a new domain before you start. So let me go back and show you how it looks like. Let me log into my WordPress. So you can see I have WordPress over here, and it's a script. Let me just log into WordPress over here. So if you do not have WordPress installed, if you don't have any WordPress installed, all you need to do is to go to install now, then set the website name. The name of your website should be here. The name of the website should be here, and your information, so your password, you can simply use anything for your password. So let's say this is my password, and after, all you need to do is scroll down and click on install, and you see that your WordPress software will be installed. Make sure that you clean this one if it is there, and select the domain that you want to install the WordPress software on. I already have the WordPress software installed on the domain that I want to use for this particular tutorial. So let me just simply log in to the website and show you how it works. So I'm logging in, and this is the dashboard. This, when you log into your WordPress website, this is what you are going to see on your WordPress dashboard. So let me just open an Encounter browser and show you how the website looks like currently. Open an Encounter browser, and we could say there's nothing over here. I have nothing over here. There's nothing more valuable over here. So let's get it started. So first of all, we will need to install some plugins in our WordPress website. So we are going to start the tutorials over here. So the tutorial begins. So let's get it started. So we will install some things, or we will install some plugins over here. So all you need to do is to go to add new over here, and go to visit over here and type LMS. Just type LMS. You will see that we have a lot of LMS related plugins over here. So in my own suggestion, I will suggest Tutor LMS, or e-learning and online course solution for you. Basically, this one will help you to understand it better, to create it more faster. So we are going to use this particular plugin for creating our LMS website to sell our courses on the internet. So let me just activate it. So after you installing the plugin, you will be taken to a next page to complete some questions. So now to create an e-learning platform with anyone by teaching online. So let me just go to next. Allow users to have okay on this one as well. Then click on next. Okay, click on next. So on this one as well. On this one, this one will help you to get more instructors. So in case if you want other people to teach on your e-learning platform, you can simply invite them to teach on the platform as well. So go to next, and this one I think let me just click it on as well. Select bank transfer over here, then finish everything up, finish it up. So this is the basic settings for Tutor LMS. So enable it over here. So I have enabled it. So we are almost 20% done with the job that we want to do. Or do not forget to install some of these plugins as well. Let's have SEO plugins as well. So let's have rank math, or you can simply install rank math or use SEO plugin. This will help you to rank on Google. So let me just search for rank math SEO plugin. Rank math. Okay, I think it's this. So this is the plugin. It will help you to get more visibility on the internet. So make sure that you install it, and it will help you out. After this, we need to install another plugin called Jetpack over here. Jetpack will secure your website and add some features on your website as well. So let me just install this one as well. Then after we will learn, we will continue with the creation of the creation of online learning platform website, or LMS website. So it is installing. Okay, it's still installing, so do not worry, we will finish it up very soon. So it's now installed. Let me just go to install plugins over here, and okay, activate them. Let me select all and activate them. So select activate and click on apply to activate. So we are yet to activate the Jetpack fully. So let me just go to setup Jetpack over here, and it is loading. Sorry, my internet connection is not all that strong, so pardon me if it delays. So it's still loading, and make sure that you just confirm over here. You confirm the details over here. Let me just select apply, then the password. Select any password that you want to use. Okay, so let me use this one. Then after, click on create your account. Jetpack is free, so do not worry. They also have paid services or paid templates as well. So if anything, you can go ahead and just pay it as well. But we are going to use the free version. We don't want anything paid over here. So let me just go back over here. So I think we are done. We are done with the installation. Select order over here and continue, or you can simply dismiss it if you don't want to answer any questions. Okay, so one thing that you need to do in your WordPress settings is to check the permalinks over here. Make sure that you set it by post name over here. Select post name over here. By default, I think it's by day and name, but change it to post name, and after click on save changes. Okay, this will make our link look more interesting and decent. It will help us to let the link look more decent and interesting. So after, let's go back to Tutor LMS over here, and see we have nothing over here. We do not have any courses over here, and we are not yet done. So we have to install another plugin called WooCommerce, and we are going to sell our course through it. But if you want to create your courses free, then you do not need to add this one. But I don't think anyone will just create a course for free. You won't just waste your time like that. So you need to get something from the course that you are going to sell on the internet, or the course that you are going to offer on the internet. So let me just go to popular, what I will see the WooCommerce plugin over there. So let me just scroll down. I think WooCommerce is all here, so let me just search. Okay, it's over here. So this is a plugin, WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is over here. Click on install now. So WooCommerce is also installing. It's installing. And one thing you need to do, building an LMS website is not all that simple, because at times your website may be down. At times, if you do not have a good hosting platform, your website will be down. So make sure that you consider the hosting that you are going to use. I have some hosting affiliate links at the description below, so please make sure that you purchase through my link if only you want to buy hosting and domains. And please again, the link may be affiliate links, so in case if you make purchase, I might get a penny from it, maybe $1 or maybe less than $1 from it. So who knows? So we are done installing the WooCommerce. Let's go to settings over here. So we are on the plugin settings. So I think we are this one. Go to account and privacy. No, okay. We can allow customers to place order without an account. I think it's good. Allow customers to log in into an existing account. Okay, allow. Okay, allow this one also. I think we are almost done. Okay, save changes. So you need to set up the WooCommerce as well. So make sure that you set up the WooCommerce as well. Okay, your store details, you need to add them. So I think we are done with this. So let me just click on save changes over here. So let me just click on save. Let me refresh my screen so that we will see everything clear again. I think we are done with the WooCommerce settings. And do not forget to set up your payment as well, your payment address. But let me go back to my LMS course. So see, I need to finish up one particular course that I want to make on the website. Everything is basic over here, so make sure that you study what we are going to do, and it will help you out. It's very simple. So let me show you how you can add courses and how you can enroll students as well. So you can see that we do not have anything on the website. Let me just visit it and refresh it and show you how it looks like. So I'm refreshing the screen. So you can see that there's nothing on this website. There's nothing over here. And we will need to change the name of the website and change the logo and everything as well. So let's first customize the website first, and after we will need to just add up the courses that you want to add on the website. So let me just visit the website and start with the customization. So you can go over here, customize over here to customize the website name and other stuff. We don't want to use the best online shop anymore. We can just simply use a simple name. So let me just change the name over here. So Tutor LMS. So this will be the name over here, Tutor LMS. So you can see that the LMS appeared over here. And the tagline, let's use a best e-learning platform. So I think this one is okay to use. Then after you need to click on publish. So go back and go to the menus. Consider at the menu we have only home over here. Go to menus over here. If you do not have any menu over there, make sure that you create one. You just create new one at create new menu. So let me just edit my menu. So the menu over here, I'll add up let's say student registration, very important. So let me just do away with the student and make it registration. Okay, let me just do it students. Okay, student registration, and let me go and add another one over here. I'll make sure you add dashboard as well. The dashboard will let them to have their account related stuff. So let's check. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, we come back. Okay, the lessons over here, make sure you add lessons as well for better navigation. Yeah, so after all you need to do is click on publish. I think it appeared two over here. You can see we have one over here and another one over here. So I will need to disable one secondary menu. Let me check. Okay, so click on publish to publish it. So consider it's being published. Then let me just go over here and refresh my screen and show you how it looks like. So you can see that we have LMS, Tutor LMS over here, best e-learning platform as well, and you can see we have the menus over here. Let me go to dashboard and see what will happen. So the dashboard will help people to register. If they do not have any account, they can simply register, and if the person do not have account, they can click on register now to register. So you can see that student registration, we have the name, the last name, the username, the email, the password, and the password confirmation. So let's go to lessons over here. Currently we do not have any lessons, and you can see that there's nothing over here, so we do not have any lessons over here, but we can simply use another platform. We have another way of adding lessons in the Tutor LMS Pro, in the Tutor LMS plugin. So let me just go to home settings and check something. Let me select static, and let me go through whether I will see lessons over there. So there's not like lessons over there. Okay, so we can simply make it like this. Okay, so let's just select latest post. Okay, we can redirect the lessons at this section as well, but let's use this one. So the store notice, you can let your clients get notice whenever they visit the website, but I'm going to disable it because it's not all that important now. And make sure that you check the website footer as well. So go to the widget and check the slide bar whether there's some unneeded things over there. So calendar, I don't want to have the calendar over here, so I will need to remove it. So remove the widget. I'll need to go back and let me check below header. There's nothing over here. And footer, I'll check the footer column. So we are customizing the website before we can start setting up our LMS website. So footer 3, there's nothing over here as well, and footer 4, there's nothing over here. So let's click on publish. So we are done customizing our website. So these pages, I don't need them, so let me just remove them over here. I will need to remove these pages. So I'm done removing them. I need to click on publish to publish it on the website. So let me just go back and go to dashboard over here. Dashboard. So consider, let me just open an encounter browser and show you how the website looks like right now. Okay, it's almost the same, so we have it almost the same over here. Okay, and add a lesson. So at this section, I'll teach you how you can add lessons in the website. So let me just go to Tutor LMS courses. So in the courses, let me just go to courses. We do not have any course over here, so go to add new. So with this, we are going to name it YouTube monetization strategy. So this is the title of the course that we want to publish, and make sure that you add small description over here. This course is basically those who want to monetize their YouTube channel. So I'm done with this, and after scroll down, so you need to set the SEO as well. So this course, the difficulty, you need to select all levels. Then if you want to make it a free course, all you need to do is to select public. But if you want to sell it, no, do not select public course because you will need to sell it. So let me just, the maximum number of students that you want to enroll. If you want it to be unlimited, make sure that you do not set up any minimum. So let's, in case I want only 100 students to get enrolled in this particular course, I'll make it 100. And let me just scroll. So what will the student learn? So make sure that you list all the things that the students will learn on the website. So let's say YouTube monetization, YouTube earning strategy, YouTube minimum requirements. Okay, let's assume that these are the things that the students will learn on your website in this particular course. So the targeted audience, make sure you select or make sure you make it beginners. And the duration of the course, let me make it 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes. You can just leave it like that, or you can just set it. So the materials included, let me say mobile phone or laptop / laptop. The requirement, let me just make it you must pay attention in class. That's all. So we are done with this, and after, make sure you click on publish over here. You can add task as well, but before you publish it, make sure that you set your featured image. So let me just set my featured image over here. I have some image which is related to YouTube monetization, so let me just go and search for it. So it's uploading, so it has been uploaded. Let me set it. Okay, so after you are done with this, you can also add tasks over here. So in case you want to add your tag, let's make it YouTube. So I'm done adding the task, and you can set a category as well. So the category, let me just make it YouTube and add new category. Okay, then after, you need to click on publish. So the course is being published now. It's being published. So we have published the course successfully, but we want it to appear on our website. So let me just go over here and show you how it looks like. You could see that we do not have anything over here, so we want users to have access to the course. We have lessons over here, so let me just edit the menu as well. Like I said, we are building everything from scratch, so we may forget some things, and also we will correct it out. Everything is from scratch over here, so if I confuse you a little bit, make sure that you pardon me for that. Let me go to menu. So we may remove the lessons over here, but if you want the lessons to appear over there, simply leave it like that. But I do not want the lessons to appear there. And the dashboard too, the students will be able to create an account at the dashboard section. So let me go to this. We want the course to appear only, so let me just enter this over here and type in the courses. So users will be able to enroll in your course with this particular link. So we have home, dashboard, and courses right now. Let's add the lessons to it to make it much better. So let's add the lessons to it. Do not worry, we will learn how to add the lessons as well, so you do not need to rush. So where is the lessons? Okay, we don't have the lessons over here, but we can simply add the lessons at this section. So let's manually add lessons over here. Enter the link and make it lesson. Lesson. Okay, after click on publish. So we are almost done, And one thing that I would like you to do is to make sure that you add posts on the website. So with the post, people might be able to have the help in it. So let's go to add new. So the post is where your announcements and everything will be, in case you want them to have assist in how to create accounts on their website, or you can just give them a welcome message. So welcome, come to Rich Tutor LMS. So your text should be over here. So on this platform you will be able to learn all digital marketing related stuff. Okay, let's make it service. Thank you. But make sure that you go deeper into it. This is for tutorial purposes only, so I'll just make it like that, and then after I'll need to click on publish. So first make sure that we set the featured image. So let me select any image that I have over here. Let me select this image. You will need to make sure that you have the image which is associated with the post title, but I do not have any image associated with it, so I'll just use any image that I want. So let me just visit the website again and refresh. So it's gonna refresh. So you can see we have this post over here. The post that I just did is over here. So let me just go back and set the Tutor LMS. Well, we have settings. So we have terms and condition page. Everything is okay. Let me go to course. Student must be logged into. Okay, no. Content as allow students to. Okay, this one is also good. So make sure that you select this one. Select this one as well for better results. You can let them have a course we take as well. Take it and select YouTube, external URL, and embed as well. So let's use this, and after click on save changes. So we are done with the basic settings. For this particular course. For this particular plugin, Tutor LMS. And then monetization, make sure that you select WooCommerce over here. Automatically complete. Enable revenue sharing. No, I don't want to share the revenue with anyone. So save changes as well. Now let's go back to courses. We added one course, so we can see that the course that we published is over here, and we can see that it's over here. Let's add lessons to it. We do not have any lesson attached to this particular course, so we need to add lessons to it. So scroll down and you will see, okay, course builder, add new topic. Okay, basic understanding. So let me just add some small summary. Understanding YouTube. Okay, add topic. So we have added the topic, and after we need to add lesson. So this is how you can add topics and lessons in Tutor LMS. So the lesson name, so let's make it how does YouTube work. So YouTube is known as one of the best platforms on the internet. Make sure that you have your own words and everything attached to it. But so I want to add a video to it. So let's, in case we want to add video to this particular course, go to YouTube, but make sure that you do your own videos. Make sure that you do your own videos for your LMS website, because it will be better for you to use that. Otherwise, people will think that maybe you are using your free things to manage the website since they bought it. So how does YouTube work? Search. Okay, so let me just use this one. Let me scroll down. Let's go down and copy the address, and after, make sure that you embed over here, or if you don't like it that way, you can just select one over here, YouTube, and paste the URL over here and delete this one. After, make sure that you update the lesson. So we are done. Make sure that you click on update. Anytime that you finish your lesson, anytime you finish adding lesson in your course, make sure that you click on update so that you do not lose any data. So let me just open an encounter browser and show you how it looks like. Let me refresh and go to courses. So you can see that we have one course over here currently. Let me just click on it. So you can see that we have it over here. We have just like how the Udemy and the other platform looks like. So you can see that we have the course. About this course, and I said this course is basically for those who want to monetize their channel, and you saw everything in there. YouTube monetization. So this is how it will be like. So you can see that the audience, we have beginners over here, and the task we have YouTube, and requirements, you must pay attention in class. Everything that we did is over here. So in case the person wants to enroll in the course, all the person needs to do is to click on start learning. So you can see that it is loading. So you can see that the video that I added in the platform or in the lesson, it has appeared over here. So if I want to use, or if I want to watch the video, all I need to do is to click on it. So this is how it looks like. So let me just go back, and sorry, I can zoom in as well. Let me simply go back. Okay, so this is how you can simply create an LMS website, but make sure that you set up your WooCommerce payment. So this one is for free. So these settings that we did is for those who want to sell free courses. So if you want to sell your courses for free, or if you don't want people to pay, this is how you're going to do it. But if you want other people to make payment before they will get enrolled, then follow the step that I'm about to show you. We already have course over here. So scroll down. It's loading. So scroll down. Let's see something over here. So you can see that we have course type over here. Course type. Select paid, and select the product YouTube class over here. You can see that we have it over here, YouTube class. So let me just click on update. With this, the people with this, the students who are going to get enrolled with the link or in the course will make payment before they will get access. So let me just go back and refresh my screen. Courses. So you can see that if I click on start learning, I will need to log in before. So basically you will need to log in to make an order before, but at first I do not need any login. So you will need to log in to make an order before you can enroll in the course when it is not free. But with the free version, you do not need any logins, or you do not need to register for it. So let me just go back and go to my WooCommerce settings and set up the payment. How do you want your student to pay you in order to get enrolled? So go to payment, So you can see that currently we have direct bank enabled, and go to manage. Make sure that you edit it with your own bank transfer. So you make sure that this one is in order. So you can see that I have my bank details over here. My name is Emmanuel, and I have my account number over here and the bank name as well. But if you want to sell international, make sure that you add the SWIFT code as well. And you can see that we are almost done. We are done with this. Let me go home. So we are done. So make sure you set your categories for the Tutor LMS. So currently we have YouTube. Let's say blogging as well. Let's add a blog. Let's do something like that and add category. So I've added blogging. Let's add Facebook as well. In case you want to add courses related to Facebook, add tutorials. So Facebook. Then click on add new category. So consider we've added it as well. Everything is being added over here, and consider the student, the number of students on your platform will show over here whenever they make payments. And the announcement too, you can make an announcement over here. You can make a new announcement over here. But basically you need to add a post to help them understand everything better. Let's go to tools and show and see what's over there. Okay, so everything is in control, intact. Let's go to add-ons. With the add-ons, some are premium, so you might not get it for free. Consider all these are premium. You might not get it for free. It's not free. So this is how you can simply create an LMS website. Let me add another course to it. So how to run Google Ads. So in this course you will be learning how to run or advertise on Google Adverts. So this is how the course description will be. But make sure that your description is much plenty so that it will catch your student to enroll in the course. If it's not if it is not catchy, they are not going to get enrolled in it. So let me say blogging. Let me select the blogging as it, and make sure that you set your focus keyword if you want to rank on Google. So with this one I will make it free. The other one is paid. I want you to know the difference between a paid course and a free course. The maximum number of students, I want no limit. I want them to have access. So all levels, select this one as public and add a new topic. Make sure that you add a new introduction, and the topic will be introduction to LMS. Add topic. So lesson, add your lesson. What is advert? So advert. So let me just make a simple explanation over here. Making payment to increase your visibility online. What is 10 adverts in digital marketing industry. Update lesson. So this is everything right here is basic. So if in case we want to add quiz, let me add quiz for you to see. So the question, type your question over here. What is digital marketing? You can also change how it looks like. Save and next. So let me add question. Do you pay to advertise on platform? Okay, so let's use true or false. Okay, say 1 point for this particular, and the answer, we want the answer to be true, so add question. Okay, save and next. Okay, I think we are done. Save and next. So we've successfully added a quiz to the listing, the course. So after, all you need to do is to click on publish. So it's publishing, it's loading. So we are done. Let me just open an encounter browser and show you how it will look like. So let me go to courses and consider it's over here, how to run Google Ads. So let's start learning. So you can see that we have the lesson over here. Making payment to increase your visibility online is what is termed as it's what termed as adverts in digital marketing industry. So next, so with the quiz you need to log in as well. So let me just simply create an account over here and show you how it will look like. Let me simply create an account. So let me just set up my name, Emmanuel. Okay, username, let me use this one. Let me use this one. Let me use this one. So register. I didn't add a valid Gmail, so let me check. Sorry, my Gmail wasn't valid. Let me add this one. Blog. Register. So I've registered and the quiz is right here. If I want to participate in the quiz, all that I need to do is to click on start quiz. So do you pay to advertise on people's platform? So let's say the answer is true. Let me just select true and let me submit it. Submit. So consider my result is over here and the result shows pass. So I passed the quiz that I searched for myself. So this is how interesting a LMS website could be. If you want to create an LMS website, this is very simple, and make sure that you make it very friendly, mobile friendly, so that people will be able to enroll in it on mobile devices as well. So thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you need any help or recommendations, I will help you out as well. Let's just hit my comment section if you need help or assist. I'll help you out to understand everything better. Or if you want to hire me to create a better LMS platform, a very good learning environment for you to sell your course, then I'm here as well. I could be your manager, your website manager. I'll help you out to gain visibility on the internet as well. So if only you can assist in it, I'll help you out as well. So thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe. So I think in today's course we were able to learn more about how to build an LMS website, and we talked about building an LMS website with WordPress, and how to build online courses website with WordPress. And also we learned about the importance of LMS websites, what WordPress is, and the tutorial begin. So we have basically looked through the basic understanding of LMS websites and how you can simply create an LMS website on the internet. So thank you for watching this video once again. Goodbye.